New on YouTube and struggling to acquire your accessories for your video recording and for your sound recording? Well, I have been through the same phase. I started my YouTube channel last year and I really struggled to acquire some of the accessories. One of them being an external microphone. Finally, I have acquired one and I'll be more than happy to take you through my journey. Before we start, two disclaimers. One, none of the accessory shown in this video is sponsored. And number two, what you're going to hear in this video is going to be a raw audio footage. So no audio has been edited, and I believe that would help you in making an informed decision in comparing audio from different devices. So I don't think it can get more real than this, guys, and I believe this video is going to help you make really informed decision. So let's get started, guys. What's up, guys? Welcome back to your channel Absolute Roadie. I'm Karan and you guys also know me as Prince. Ended up selecting my microphone, which I bought last year, though I'm using it for the first time today in the new year. The microphone which I've bought is the Deity Duo mic. Now that's the mic which I've selected, which fits or ticked all my check boxes. So I could, it's a lightweight, it's plug and play. I don't need external batteries for it, and it's a two-way mic. So even when I'm reviewing a product and when the lens is facing the product, I don't have to worry about it because this mic has additional microphone which is facing me. So I can record, I can still talk about the product features and show my viewers the product. So that was the biggest advantage for me. We can in fact actually do a comparison as well of this microphone. Now you will be wondering which other microphone. I got it for free. Yes, had I got it for free earlier, I doubt I would have bought the Deity microphone, since I was anyways a little budget conscious, and that was one of the two most important deciding factors. But then I bought the microphone first and then I got the other one free, which is the VideoMic Go. Now I got it free with the Sony Z1V vlogging camera. A winning point here could be the audio quality. If the audio quality happens to be far better than Deity, then definitely it makes sense, because at the end of the day you are buying the external microphone to improvise on your audio quality. Now given that the Deity has got a lot of practical advantages over the Rode Mic Go, and at the same time it costs less. Rode Mic Go is expensive as compared to Deity V4 Duo. So let's see what the audio is. I'll show you both the clippings, we can compare it. Now just to let you know that the external conditions are the same. I'm sitting in my car, the engine is on, it's running, and the air conditioner is also on. So here we are. That's the Deity D4 or the Duo microphone. Now as you can clearly see, and I've highlighted earlier as well, the two major or couple of important differences between the Rode Mic Go and the Deity microphone is that it has two microphones, so you can speak both from front and rear and your voice will get recorded. It has got additional lavalier input, and it's got a wind muffler. So the wind muffler is already on a foam coating, whereas the Rode Mic Go comes only with the foam cover. It doesn't have a wind muffler. It does not have an additional lavalier in, and at the same time it is only one microphone. If you are going to speak from behind this microphone, the volume recorded will be far low. The microphone comes with a as a shock support. So guys, I have pulled down all the four windows of my vehicle. I could clearly hear the chirping of the birds. I could hear traffic noise. I hope it gets recorded over here. Let's see how effective is the foam cover. It's a pretty nice evening. It's a pleasant evening in Dubai. It's a nice windy evening, and I could feel the breeze in the car. So I hope you can see or you can hear the traffic or the breeze noise. At times it looked really nice, as long as it's not disturbing the actual audio. So I think I've done enough talking. I will now switch on to the Deity mic. We'll do external recording with windows down, and then we'll do a recording similar with the Comica XT2 microphone as well. Alright guys, see you in some time. Alright guys, I'm back to the Deity V4 Duo microphone, and The windows of the car are down now. Probably you guys could hear some wind noise, some birds chirping, traffic noise, vehicles moving around, kids are playing around. So let's see how the audio comes out with this bit. Probably this video should turn out to be a good one. Let's see. Welcome back, guys. So now you're listening to audio from the Comica XD2 wireless microphone. Now that's the product I was talking about. This one has got 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, plus got a screen with a battery indicator, and you can also adjust the decibel level of your audio. So it's pretty nice, pretty decent, and it also comes with 2 lavalier mics, so you can add it over here. And this muffler which you see over here is in fact you know, you can put it over here, or you can even add it on your lav mic to reduce further wind noise. So that's right now with the windows closed, and now I'm going to open the windows of the car so we can have some external noise as well. Now I'm keeping it quite close to my mouth right now, so the audio might be quite clear. So let me do one thing. Let me also, you know, put it or the way it should ideally be used, by not holding an hand, but it's a hands-free, it's a wireless mic. So let me try to park it somewhere where it should be used. You can just you know, put it on your shirt. It goes inside and you don't even see the light, and it's just this black thing which is visible. So it makes it quite hands-free, and it's got a very high range, so you can move around. Now let's do a test. Let's do a test of this microphone, this wireless microphone from Comica. That's the Comica Boom XD2 set. Here we go, guys. All windows down, and now we have nice pleasant breeze. This is, you know, amazing, guys. I'll try to show you the video outside as well. It's a pleasant evening in Dubai. It's in the best times to be in this part of the world, November until March. Nice weather, nice breeze. I hope you're getting you know, some sort of feel of the breeze, or traffic or noise around me, you know, birds chirping around me. That should be the case right now. So let's see how it comes out, and when we'll put all these 6 videos together, it should give us a fair enough idea whether, you know, is deity, is it Rode even without the wind muffler, or is it the Comica XD2, whichever one performs well. Alright, welcome back, guys. Here we are. I have completed the testing of these 3 microphones. I hope you like the video, and please drop in comments which microphone did you prefer, whether it was the Rode VideoMic Go, or was it the deity D4 Duo, or the wireless external microphone from Comica. Now I liked all 3 of them, and I would be using them. In fact, I have used Comica, you know, in some of my previous videos, but I'm going to use these 2 microphones as well. My personal favorite, for all practical reasons, I would prefer deity D4 Duo, given that, you know, I can use it in either ways. It has got 2 microphones plus an additional lavalier in, so it makes a lot of difference. At the same time, you know, if I were to look at sound, I would rather go with Rode a little more as compared to deity, given that it naturally adds a little more bass to your voice, so your voice comes out a little you know, a little heavier, whereas in deity it sounded to me a little soft and sharp. But you know, if you are a YouTuber and you are familiar with equalizers, then you can create your presettings and always process your video using those equalizers, and your voice will be standard across all your videos. So that's one way to look at it. But I'm very happy with it. In fact, you know, I don't mind even running it past 2 equalizers. I'm happy to use my audio as it is until and unless, you know, I receive some adverse feedback in my videos where the audio from the deity is not preferred, then something I would look at it. But in terms of the usage, I mean, I'm pretty happy with them. Both these mics are lightweight, plug and play, no need for external batteries. You would never forget to turn them on. So that's you know, these are the features which really make them both usable. Now, I've said that to you earlier as well. I didn't thought of buying this microphone. I just got it along with the Sony ZV-1 you know, vlogging camera. But having said that, I am going to use it now.
and I am going to use a wind muffler as well with it. I think if you use a wind muffler and if you're just using it to record your audio, it makes sense to go with Rode. But if you're using the microphone for some external shoots where you need to do a product review, you need to look at you need to show some stuff to your viewers and speak simultaneously, then it makes sense for DAT. So I think I've got microphones for both the purposes, which is a pretty good thing to have. And at the same time, Comica Wireless is an all-purpose microphone. It is a wireless microphone, works at 2.4G. You can travel, you can use this microphone anywhere in the world without any problems. So that's the best part again about it, and it works pretty well. It's got almost a 50-meter range, and you can even move away from your camera and still get your audio being recorded. So that's again a USP for this microphone. So I think I've got microphones that would fit in all my requirements for external and for some internal recording. I can even use this for external as long as I know that I don't have to keep turning my camera back and make sure that even I'm looking in the frame. So as long as that's not required, I'm pretty fine with it. So I hope you guys like this video, and if so, please like, share and subscribe my channel Absolute Roadie. And at the same time, please drop in comments to let me know which one did you prefer and which microphones have you been using so far. Alright guys, see ya, bye.
Special thanks to all my subscribers who subscribed to my channel Absolute Roadie last year, and I look forward to continued support from you this year as well. And all those guys who have seen my video, who watch my channel but haven't subscribed yet, please do like, share and subscribe my channel in this year. In fact, in this month.